This is why you need Tailwind-Merge whenever you use Tailwind-CSS in your project. Here we have our own button component with some styling applied to it. It has a blue background color and it has some horizontal and vertical padding applied to it. Usually we want to allow styling this button from the outside wherever we use it. This is why we also put this class name prop into the class name string of the component. But when I try to change the padding by passing the P6 Tailwind class to this button, we can see that this change isn't actually applied. The padding hasn't changed. This is because of the way CSS classes are applied. Just because we pass this class as the last value in the class name string doesn't mean that it will override the previous ones. So the padding 6 we passed doesn't override the padding 5 and 3 we have hard-coded into the component. This is where Tailwind-Merge comes into play. It's a package you can install in your project. And then instead of interpolating the class name like this, we call this Tailwind-Merge function instead. The first argument are the same class names that we want to have hard-coded into this button, so the default styling, and the second argument are the class names that we pass as props. Tailwind-Merge will take care that whatever we pass as the second argument will override the values that we hard-coded in the first argument. So now our padding of 6 is applied.